Hello, this is Novex IT, and today we're continuing with part 2 of our Active Directory series. So we're going to be deploying Active Directory, but our first step is we need to install Active Directory. So we're going to log into our domain controller, DC1. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the public IP address. Oh, it's already there. That's fine. Connect. Use a password. I'm going to refer to my login information. So DC1 is this. So I'm going to go ahead, copy and paste. And then let's log in. Click yes. And yeah, it quickly logged in. So let's click out of here. So our next step is we're gonna install Active Directory domain services. In order to do that, we're gonna go to Add Roles and Features right here, and click Next. Next. Oops. Oh, go back. Right here. So server roles. So right here, Active Directory domain services. Click Add Feature, and click Next. 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 Click the restart button here. Say yes to that, and go ahead and install. This might take a little while, like maybe like about a minute or so. So this is the loading bar right here, and yeah, it should say when it's complete. But yeah, give it some time. And right here it says configuration required, installation succeeded on DC1, so that means it's done. And click close. And now we're gonna promote as DC1, so we're gonna click this yellow flag, yellow symbol right here. Click the server to a domain controller, and that's what we want to do. We're gonna set up a forest, so we're gonna add a forest. So you can type whatever you want, just make sure you remember your domain name. I'm gonna call mine nxdomain.com. Here we go. And so once you remember that and save it, go to next. Password, I'm just gonna go simple, like capital P, so password 1, everything else lowercase. Password 1. Next. Next. Go ahead and click next. Next. And click install. So this take a little while, like about a minute or two or so. Yeah, this whole process is just basically allowing us to be promoted as a DC or domain controller. So we're about to be signed out because it's going to restart. So click close and close. It should just about restart. There you go. Okay. So we're going to log back into our domain controller. Probably. I think we can start now. Click connect. So it's still probably taking. So if this is taking this long, it might mean that it's still restarting. It's okay. Let's do it again. There you go. So this time we're gonna log in with a different account, slightly different. So it's gonna be your. So remember when I said remember your new forest. So in my case it's nxdomain.com, then backslash. I'm just gonna add the previous username, so it'd be nxuser. And I recommend save it right here. So I put mine right here, nxdomain.com backslash nxuser. The password, I'm gonna copy it. It's kind of like the same previous password. Click OK. And yes, to log in. Yeah, so the next series of steps we're going to take is we're going to create a domain admin user within this domain. And yeah, this is taking a while to load because it's preparing group policy client. Yeah, usually group policy deals with Active Directory. Yeah, this usually takes a while when you log in the first time. Something's going on. I'm just gonna do it again. I'm just gonna click out and try again. If you're already logged in, then that's good. Otherwise, I'm just gonna do it again. So yeah, this is the domain controller. Okay. Let's try it again. Remote. Yep, it's the same. Connect. My choices. NX domain.com / NX user. And then log in. Okay, that, yeah, it should have been pretty fast. Okay, so I'm gonna click out of this, click out of this. So we're gonna go to the bottom right here, start menu, then Windows, Administrative Tools, and go to Active Directory Users Computers. Go ahead and expand. Go to your forest right here. Mine's nxdomain.com right here. So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna expand it right here. I'm gonna add a OU or organizational unit. So go to right click, new, organizational unit, OU. Then I'm gonna add, the first one I'm gonna add is gonna be called underscore employees. Click OK. Another one, another OU. Right click, new, OU, underscore admins. Click OK. So I'm in the admins folder right now. So I'm gonna add a user. So right click on the blank space, go to new, user. I'm gonna call this admin May Doe, and then May underscore admin. Next. So right here, what you can do. So basically, we're kind of setting up May underscore domain as the domain admin account. So this is what it can look like, but for the password, it's gonna be Novix 123. So I'm sure it can be whatever you want, but this is, I'm gonna stick with this, and then I'm gonna paste it here. Paste it here, and then look in here. Users must change password next login. I'll just uncheck that. Password never expires. Just check that. You probably don't want to do that in real life, but just for our sake, we are. Next, and everything looks good. Finish. And there we go. So then we're gonna double click on May Doe. Look at what member she's part of. She's part of domain users. We're also gonna make her part of domain admins. Check name. Click OK. And then apply. OK. So there we go. Now we can officially say that May is a admin account user. Okay, so from here we're going to log into client 1. So remote desktop connection, and then copy the public IP address of client 1, paste it. So we're going to just log in with the regular login information. So I'm going to go back to my notes. I'm going to copy the password, which has kind of been the same consistently. Novix Lab 123 exclamation mark. Paste. Okay. Say yes. So basically what we're doing here is we're going to join client 1 to our domain, which in my particular case it's nxdomain.com. Yours might be something different. So go to the right click the start menu down here, go to system, click OK. Just going to click on rename this PC right here. So we're basically trying to join into the domain. So look right here. So where it's computer name, we're gonna go where it's, see right here, it says to rename this computer or change its domain, or we're focusing on changing its domain. You can click change. You can go to click on domain, and then you put your domain that you named it. Mine's nxdomain.com. Click OK. I see, and it says computer name, domain changes. Please enter the password account with permissions to join this domain. So I believe it's asking for the domain admin account, which is mayadmin. So I'm going to use mayadmins logins, and then paste, copy, paste, click OK. And then right here, welcome to the domain, basically NX domain. Click OK. You must restart, and you click OK. Yeah, we have to restart. And then, oh yeah, you click close right here. Changes will take effect after you restart. So click close, restart now. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our domain controller. So we should technically still be logged in. This is that domain controller usually has Active Directory too. But in case you wanted to like double check, you can always go right here, start menu, right click, go to system. Let's see, it's DC1, so we're on the domain controller. So we're gonna go back to Active Directory. So go to start menu, Windows Administrative Tools, Active Directory users and computers, right here. And then let's see, we're gonna go to computers, and there you go, there's our client 1 that showed up in our domain right here. Now I'm just gonna I'm gonna add another OU, organizational unit. So right click, go to new, OU, underscore clients, and you click OK. And yeah, this is the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, then put a like, and then subscribe for more content. So yeah, but this is part of our Active Directory series, and we'll be continuing on. So until then,